Okay, you guys. So I must have done something really, really that caused an irritation in my nose because I have a whole bunch of. I hate showing my snot on camera. I really hate it. Oh god, but I'm gonna try this nostril again. And I felt a tickle in this nostril, so I'm gonna try to get it again until I get a sneeze out. Oh, okay. So there is definitely some irritation in this nostril. I hate being this disgusting on camera. Ugh, it's gross. But as you can see, I know it's not really clear, but you could clearly see that there is snot coming out of my nose. I'm just gonna keep. Ugh. Ugh. Okay. Now I'm gonna throw this. Wait, I'm gonna try this nostril. Just. Ugh. Okay. So, it's not exactly going according to plan, but I definitely must have done something to the inside of my nose. It must have caused an irritation or something because. Okay, I'm gonna keep trying it till get a sneeze. There's definitely, yeah, I put a lot of spices on my nose. I don't know why my nose isn't so sensitive. Oh. Well, there's one. Oh. Ugh. Okay. So. Ugh. There is definitely. Let me show it to the camera. There's definitely. Ugh. There's definitely something going on with my nose. Ugh. Ugh. Okay, well, it didn't work out quite as planned, but I'm gonna get a tissue because my poor nose is just running like crazy. Ugh. Oh, that went to my head. Oh, God, my eardrums are popping. Oh, God, I hate it when that happens. Oh, that just, oh, made my head hurt even more. Oh. Okay. So, I got 2 sneezes. Honestly, that's good enough for me. So, I'm gonna end this video right here. Bye, guys.